What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. Y'all know the drill. We cover real estate and apps that involve money on this channel. And we're going to be covering the Chime app and how you can locate your bank statements and other relevant paperwork inside the Chime app. The first thing you want to do is open the app up, so click on it. Then you want to click the wrench icon in the top left-hand corner. From here, scroll down and click on Documents. You'll then see a few options: account statements, tax documents, and account policies and terms. To access your bank statements, just click on Account Statements, and you'll be able to access your bank statements up to that following date. If you have a credit builder card, you'll actually have two separate statements for each month, one for your checking and one for your credit. You can alternate between each one. Just click on the statement you wish to see or download, and you'll be able to see the statement. Backing out of that, you can check out the tax documents by clicking on Tax Documents. And this is really only relevant if you've been inviting a lot of people at the time and they paid you probably around $600 or more in referral fees. Then it's likely you'll have a tax document. But if you haven't done that, you're probably not going to see anything here. And of course, you have the account policies and terms, or as they put it, all the legal stuff. You can click on it and see all the account policies and terms and service of doing business with Chime. That covers how to find your bank statements in addition to a few other things on the Chime Bank app. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't signed up for Chime and you have an interest in doing so, you can do so using the link in the description and the pinned comment. This has been Elijah from Financial Anatomy. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny, and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. It greatly helps with the YouTube algorithm. Have a nice day, and I'll catch you later.